Hey devs! As many of you liked my last project, I came up with another idea. Animations made via blueprints, like the sweet little snowman as a teaser for this video. Just a quick reminder about my Discord server. You can ask questions, request code or share Christmas jokes, so feel free to join us, and remember, the bigger we grow, the more content is available for you, so it's actually a double win. Hop in to stay updated. I know I should get it all organized and updated, but for now, as I took it more seriously with my channel, I got a little overwhelmed, so sorry if you have to wait for me when I promise to do something for you, and also a reminder for Hawking regarding the UFO. I'm on it, it still needs improvement, but it already looks like something unreal, but let's get back to the main topic. So, like said at the beginning, I worked on some animations made fully in blueprints, because my C++ knowledge ends up adding in subtract. Anyway, even if you're not a skilled graphics nerd, but you're doing well with blueprints, be informed that everything you see right now is 100% made via blueprints. Even this little snowman, which contains a few animations made with timelines and they will play randomly every 5 seconds, also some other stuff to look at the player, let him move around or defy the laws of physics.
We are slowly arriving at star 69XD420. Be prepared for strong gravity pulls towards the center of the star.
There's a lot more stuff in this project, which obviously is already on my Google Drive folder. For example, this little bridge or whatever it is, but at least works like a bridge, or stairs if you simply change this boolean. Text, lighting dunes, stars, moving material, which is not mine, fully customizable pillar that can be either static or movable, and we can even set up a delay when it reaches the end. Here are some simple doors, and those are more advanced because I never saw doors rotated like in my project. But do you wanna know what's behind? A procedurally generated ice tower minigame. I don't know what it has to do with animations, but it was cool to put this in. And the last thing I wanted to share about this project is the moving platforms. I don't know who names things like that. It's an amazing blueprint which lacks only one boolean to make it go round, but even without it, it's a powerful thing. You can predefine the points directly in the editor. Same about the pillars and the bridge stairs. And also you can see a visual representation for them to see how it will be in the game. But in the game itself, all of those visualizations are gone. So yeah, basically that's it. I hope you like my content so far, and I don't really like to say that, but smash that subscribe button if you made it so far in that video. This will make me wanna do more stuff for ya, as my ideas will never reach the end. The end.